in a land shaped by its natural resources. The refinery rose not as a symbol of dominance but of renewal. Its walls, made from locally sourced Bhubani stone, echo the earth they stand on. Designed with passive solar principles, the structure is cooled not by machines but by mindfulness. Its orientation, window placement and materiality all responding to the sun and wind like a living organism. The site now houses a structure that enriches its surrounding, proving that architecture can be both an imprint of the past and a blueprint for a regenerative future.